To clone a repository from GitHub using Visual Studio Code, start by opening the program on your computer. Once open, go to the Source Control tab, usually the third tab on the left, where it will prompt you to install Git. Click on the option to download Git for Windows. Then press Open when asked if you want to open the external website. This will take you to the Git download page for Windows, where you can click to download the installation package. When the download is complete, open the installer and follow the prompts, clicking Next and selecting the default options as you go. You will be asked to adjust your path environment, and it is recommended to select the option that allows you to use Git from the command line and third-party software. Continue clicking Next until you reach the end of the installation process. Then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Then close and reopen Visual Studio Code. You should now see the option to open a folder or clone a repository. To clone a repository, go to GitHub and find a public repository you want to clone. Click the green code button. Select HTTPS and copy the URL. Then, go back to Visual Studio Code. Click on the Clone Repository option and paste in the URL. You will be prompted to create a folder to save the repository. So either select an existing folder or create a new one. Once you have selected a folder, click Clone, and Visual Studio Code will clone the repository. When the clone is complete, you will be asked if you want to open the repository in Visual Studio Code. You will also be asked if you want to trust the authors of the code, which will determine whether you have full access to the repository's features or if you are in restricted mode. Either way, you will now have the ability to view and work with the repository's contents in Visual Studio Code.